Without that project happen, a lot of things will not be discovered. As I'm doing the project, we found out that because I is overloaded already, maybe the second chance that the company will burn again. When my boss saw everything, saw him that boss, this is what happened. But before, they were telling me that it's your fault. You cannot run anymore because of I did some changes because based on the calculation for me, it's not allowed. But when we did the trace more deeper and we found out that there will become overload in the future and it can cause fire. And that's why we thank God because of God is really great. At some point in our life, there are times that God will allow us to be break. He will us to experience first the accusation, everything. That's not the purpose for us to give up on our faith. It is the beginning on how are we going to trust more to God. It's what I really thankful to God is because after that I received a message to my boss and then it was a short message there. I received a compliment. I was very thankful to the Lord because of compliment. You know what was the message? What was the last of the written on the last message? Your God is doing great.
Wow.